Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw a beautiful flower with a very simple tutorial where pencils grow petals and colors spread happiness. Quick smile story for you while we draw. This flower was feeling a little shy on a blank page and whispered, "Please draw me nicely. I want to look beautiful today." Every line you draw makes the colorful flower stand taller, and every color you add makes it smile even more. So, yes, this flower is totally depending on you. Grab your pencil, paper, and relax your hands. Let's make a simple flower bloom with joy. And tada! Look at that! Beautiful flower, fresh, bright, and full of happiness. Now it's smiling proudly because you helped it bloom. Okay? If this flower made your day brighter, don't forget to like the video and comment flower power. Okay? Subscribe for more easy drawings and fun little stories. And remember, every flower is special, just like every drawing you create. See you in the next video. Till then, keep drawing, keep smiling, keep creating little cute flower like this. Bye bye. Okay, bye bye.